ask you a question and you will have to just give me the answers as to what do you do, how do you like, and this is more like a conversational thing. So no need to write anything over here. Like, do you have enough free time?
Yes. Now I have like
Yes. So since it's a summer vacation, I do have enough free time.
okay.
Yeah. So how much free time do you get per week?
Mm,
Like you can say number of hours here. Like I get about 30 to 40 hours free since I'm not going to college or my university.
so I get more time
Huh?
since I don't go to college.
Yeah. So how much time do you get? Like how much time? It's about 40 hours that you get free time, or it's about 30 hours. Because let's say you have 5 days a week, and in that 5 days you are doing some activities because you're going to a guitar class, you're going to a this English speaking classes. So what other classes you do, or what other activities you do at home are regular activities, like you have to clean up the home every day. These are few tasks that you have to do. Other than that, that is your free time.
Okay, so
Okay. Yeah. So, and then how do you spend your free time? So what activities do you do in your free time?
um, now I search more about like more fields. I explore to more fields from YouTube
Okay, more fields about what?
about science and all, like career.
About career and about my future prospect of joining a science stream education, full time education, right? So I'm searching all about it on YouTube. Yeah. Then, who do you spend your free time with? Now, this was only that you're doing this research for your next career move to get into a good college and all that. But otherwise, whom would you spend your free time with?
Mm, my cousins,
Your cousin. Okay, so you prefer to spend your free time with your cousin. Good.
yes, and
uh,
friends.
and friends also. So where do your cousins live?
Um, they live nearby.
They live close to you, so you
Yeah,
can catch up with them. Meaning you can meet them anytime you
yeah,
wish. Like whenever it's like a free time, you can call each other and you can meet them.
yes.
Yes. So your cousin, meaning you have more than one cousin, or it's only one cousin?
More than one cousin.
More than one cousin. So you just be a little bit descriptive, saying, okay, I have a cousin brother, cousin sister, both my same age, or both younger or elder, or whatever that is.
So I have like both type of cousins. Like they are some are younger and some are of my age.
Okay, some,
And I'm
okay.
continuing to go the ones which are of my age
Yeah, so
because
you, continue.
um, because the one those who are younger than me they are busy in their exams.
Yes. So I like to spend time with my free time with my cousins. My cousins are also of the same age as me, but there are few cousins who are younger to me. But the cousins who are of the same age, I prefer spending time with them, and we share a great bond between each other. Yeah. So, anything specific you did last weekend that you would like to share? What did you do last weekend?
Um, yeah, on my birthday, one of my cousin came
Okay, last
and
weekend was your birthday.
yeah,
Yes.
so
Uh huh.
she came at my place and then the whole day like from when she came we ordered from Zomato, then we went in Reliance,
Mm-hmm.
then spent some more time and then at night we went to hotel.
Okay. So okay. So she came in the morning. That last weekend was my birthday. My cousin visited me. She spent the whole day with me. We ordered food from Zomato. We went shopping in the Reliance Mall. Um, and what did you say? And in evening we went to a restaurant.
Okay,
Okay, so not hotel. What word you will use?
restaurant.
Restaurant. So in the evening we went to a restaurant, And what kind of specific restaurant was it, or what kind of special food did you eat? What cuisine did you eat?
Yeah, there we ate some starters
Mm-hmm.
and then a pulao.
Okay, so basically you went for Indian cuisine only.
Yeah,
Yeah, good. Any special plans you have for the current weekend coming up?
but the current weekend will go busy.
Sorry?
My current weekend will go is a bit busy.
Okay, a bit busy weekend. So what's the plan that is there?
Like I need to plan my whole day according to classes.
Huh, yes. So you're going to take the decision for registering yourself for the science stream, and your classes will start on Monday. So you're going to make all your plans up for the week then.
Yes,
Yes. And you're going to go to the classes and register as well on Sunday or on Saturday?
maybe on Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah, maybe
Will
one of the 2 days when your parents are free.
yeah.
Yeah. So what time, like your father, when you described about your father, you didn't say when does he get a day off? Like, is it Sunday he has always has a holiday, or
Yeah.
okay, only Sunday? And what work does he do, like in terms of his career?
Um, he does a job where
Mm-hmm.
all switches are made.
So is an into an electrical field.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So it's a specific job in a shop, or it's a specific job in office
Company.
or a factory. Sorry,
Um, company like of
in an office. Okay. So it's an office-based job.
yeah.
Fine. Good. Um, yeah. I think we have covered a lot of like free time questions also, and we've covered everything about the family and friends, right? So, any questions you want me to like you want to ask me, you can.
No.
No. So you are happy with today's session.